Hello everyone, welcome back to English Elite. Today we have a simple and fun English conversation. Listen carefully and learn English with us. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Jean. I am happy to be here with you today.
And I am Maylin. Today we want to talk about something very simple, something you do every day.
Yes, we want to talk about our daily routine. What do we do every morning, every afternoon, and every night?
This is perfect for English learners. You can listen to us and think about your own day too.
So let's start. Maylin, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings and I open my eyes slowly. The first thing I do is look at the window. I like to see if it is sunny or cloudy outside.
Oh, that's nice. I wake up a little earlier. I wake up at 6 o'clock. My alarm is very loud. Beep, beep, beep. I don't like it, but it helps me wake up.
Yes, a loud alarm is important. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake and fresh.
Me too. I always wash my face first. Then I brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth is very important to me. I do it slowly for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That is good, Jean. I also brush my teeth. Then I take a warm shower. I love warm showers in the morning. They help me feel calm and ready for the day.
I take a cold shower. I know, cold water sounds bad, but for me, a cold shower wakes me up very fast. After my shower, I feel strong and ready.
Cold water is too much for me, but it's great that it works for you, Jean. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable pants and a simple blouse. I like to feel comfortable at work.
I get dressed too. I wear dark jeans and a clean shirt. Simple and easy. I don't like to think too much about clothes in the morning.
That is smart. Now, let's talk about breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite part of the morning.
Mine too. I eat 2 pieces of toast with butter and a glass of orange juice. It is fast and delicious.
Oh, I eat something different. I eat yogurt with fresh fruit. Sometimes I put banana and strawberries in my yogurt, and I always drink a big cup of green tea.
Yogurt and fruit? That sounds very healthy. I want to try that one day. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe.
Yes, you should try it. Okay, so after breakfast, it is time to go to work. Jean, how do you go to work?
I walk. My office is not far from my house. It takes about 15 minutes. I love walking in the morning. I listen to music and I look at the trees and the street. It is a very peaceful start to the day.
That sounds lovely. I take the metro. I live a little far from my job. The metro takes about 25 minutes. On the metro, I read a book or I listen to a podcast. The time goes fast.
So, listeners, let's practice the key words from the morning. Wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, drink tea or juice, walk to work, or take the metro.
Very good. Practice saying those words. They are very useful for talking about your morning.
Okay, now let's talk about work. When I arrive at my office, the first thing I do is say hello to my coworkers. I think it is important to start the day with a smile.
Oh, I love that. I arrive at my desk and I check my schedule first. I look at my calendar. What meetings do I have today? What tasks do I need to finish? I like to plan my day before I start.
That is very organized, Maylin. After I say hello, I sit at my desk and I start working on my computer. I write reports and I answer messages. Sometimes there are many messages. It takes a long time.
Yes, messages and emails take a lot of time. I also write a lot. My work is with numbers and documents. I read, I write, I prepare things for my team.
It sounds like we are both busy in the morning. And then it is time for lunch. Jean, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually bring food from home. Today I brought rice with vegetables and a small piece of chicken. It is healthy and easy to make the night before.
Oh, that's a great idea. I usually go to a small restaurant near my office. I like to order soup and bread. Sometimes I order a sandwich. I always drink a glass of water with my lunch.
Simple and good. After lunch, I like to take a short break. I go outside for 10 minutes. I breathe the fresh air. It helps me feel better for the afternoon. I do something similar. After lunch, I sit in a quiet corner and I listen to one song. Just one song. It helps me relax before I go back to work. One song. I love that idea. After our break, we go back to work. The afternoon is busy too. More tasks, more writing, more meetings.
Yes, and then finally, at 5:30, work is finished. I close my computer, I put my things in my bag, and I walk out of the office. That feeling is amazing.
Ha, yes. Leaving work feels so good. I close my computer too, I say goodbye to my coworkers, and I go to the metro to go home.
Now let's talk about the evening. This is my favorite part of the day. I walk home from work, I stop at the small market near my house. Sometimes I buy tomatoes or bread or something for dinner.
Oh, that's nice. I take the metro home. On the way, I read my book again. When I get home, the first thing I do is change my clothes. I put on my comfortable home clothes. That moment is wonderful.
Yes! Comfortable clothes at home are the best! When I get home, I also change my clothes. Then I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I do nothing. I just rest and breathe. I understand that. After a busy day, you need a moment of quiet. After I rest a little, I cook dinner. Tonight, I am making pasta with tomato sauce. Simple and fast.
Oh, pasta is delicious. I am making rice with vegetables and a fried egg tonight. Easy to cook, easy to clean.
A fried egg on rice is very good. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I call my sister. We talk for about 20 minutes. We talk about our day, funny things, and our plans for the weekend. That is so sweet. After dinner, I watch a short video or a show on my phone. Maybe 30 minutes. Nothing too long. Then I feel relaxed. And now it is nighttime. Time to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, I wash my face, and I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and blue. I love them. I also brush my teeth at night. Very important. I wash my face too. Then I get into bed. Sometimes I write 3 things in my notebook. 3 good things that happened today. It helps me feel happy before I sleep. Oh, Jean, that is a beautiful habit. 3 good things. I like that. I read a few pages of my book in bed. Reading makes me feel calm and a little sleepy. Yes, reading before sleep is great. I usually fall asleep at around 10 o'clock. I turn off the light, I close my eyes, and I sleep very fast.
I sleep a little later, around 10:30 or 11, but when I fall asleep, I sleep very well. And then the next morning, the alarm rings again, and we do it all over again.
That is life, and that is our daily routine from morning to night.
So listeners, let's review the key words from today. In the morning, wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work. At work, check your schedule, answer messages, have meetings, eat lunch, take a break. In the evening, go home, change your clothes, cook dinner, wash the dishes, relax. And at night, brush your teeth, wash your face, put on your pajamas, read a book, go to sleep. Practice saying these words out loud and think about your own daily routine. How is it similar to ours? How is it different?
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in the evening? We want to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you learned something new and had a good time with us.
Remember, the more you practice, the better your English will be. You are doing a great job.
See you next time on English Elite. Keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye!